Welcome to Ajax by the Lake, a beautiful waterfront community boasting conservation areas, 7 kilometers of multi-use trails along Lake Ontario, rolling parklands, and fantastic recreation spaces. Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, 41 Hills Road is a beautifully renovated 2+1 bedroom home nestled on a premium-sized lot within the Southwood community of Southeast Ajax. Perennial plantings, flagstones, river rock, and interlocking, along with a spacious covered front porch from which to appreciate this lovingly maintained environment, gives this home exceptional curb appeal. Showcasing principal rooms with a spacious and intelligently designed open concept layout, as well as a warm and inviting ambiance, the living and dining rooms feature the richness of hardwood flooring, the elegance of crown moldings, and a high-end gas fireplace with a stone hearth for added warmth. Natural light permeates these spaces through a huge bow window in the living room, plus a well-placed window in the dining room, which also features a modern glass pendant light for ambient brightness while entertaining. This home boasts luxurious and exceptional detailing throughout, the kitchen being no exception. This custom gourmet space showcases a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances including an oven with smooth cooktop and custom range hood, a built-in dishwasher, and a French door fridge. Valance lighting accentuates the kitchen's marble backsplash. Its white cabinetry has upgraded hardware, upper moldings, a pantry, plenty of storage to stay organized, plus a wall-mounted metal wine rack, while the warm earthen tones of its solid quartz countertops and its tiled flooring balances with the cool whites and the sleek stainless finishes. Lighting is key here as well, with pot lighting, a sliding door walkout to the side patio, a bow window, as well as an elegant pendant light above an island with seating, providing natural or ambient brightness. Pot lighting also brightens the reception hall, which has a double coat closet, and stairs which lead to the beautifully updated upper level. To the right of the landing is the gorgeous 4-piece washroom. This relaxing spa-like space showcases tiled finishes, pot lighting, crown moldings, and a chandelier, a polished chrome clawfoot soaker tub with a handheld shower, walls that are papered with a subtle textured pattern, an elegant pedestal sink with a standalone white cabinet for complementary toiletry storage, and an oversized glass shower with rainfall and handheld showers, as well as body jets. Quality vinyl plank flooring finishes the remainder of this level, and across the hall from the washroom is the second bedroom, a naturally bright resting space with a good-sized window and ample closet storage. Originally with 3 bedrooms on this level, 2 were converted to create the exceptional master suite. Brightened with pot lights and enjoying the warm, natural lighting of a southwest-facing exposure, this very generously sized retreat has double French doors with water glass inserts as its entry, a spacious walk-in closet, a large sitting area with garden doors opening onto the home's wraparound deck, and a pocket door providing semi-private access to the spa washroom. The stairs from the reception hall also lead to the lower ground level, and off its tiled landing is an updated 4-piece washroom with a tiled floor, sconce lighting, a vanity with stone counter, and a tiled bath area with a glass shower wall. And right outside this washroom is a storage closet. The tiled floor is continued into a galley kitchen showcasing a glass and stone tile backsplash, pot lighting, a built-in cooktop and microwave, a large sink, a fridge, and ample cabinetry storage. And next to the kitchen is a carpeted staircase with a hardwood railing to the lower basement level, which features a large storage room, as well as a very spacious bedroom with Berber broadloom, track lighting, an oversized window, and a huge walk-in closet. This home additionally features upgraded trims, baseboards, and doors throughout, a stackable washer and dryer, hardware for a security system, central air conditioning, a double driveway and a double car garage with opener, 2 remotes, as well as side door access from the front porch, and also includes the existing California shutters and window coverings. The lower ground level also showcases an impressive family room. Enhanced with another high-end gas fireplace, this one surrounded by an almost full wall of stone, this outstanding entertaining space features bamboo flooring, hot lighting, a wall of closet storage, as well as a walkout to the backyard, with the combined living spaces of the lower ground and basement levels perfect for either personal use or as an in-law suite. The backyard is simply spectacular. Seasonally lush with ivies, perennials, and shrubs. Directly off the kitchen is a very private flagstone patio with a circular stone center. Stroll under the ivy-laden arbor or amble along the flagstone walkway to a raised wraparound deck that has a flared staircase to its gazebo. No matter where you sit, the deck has beautiful backyard views, while the gazebo and the south portion of the deck, which is where the master bedroom walkout is, offer the best views of the greenbelt beyond the backyard. A premium property of approximately 65 by 120 feet in size, both the front and backyards have been professionally landscaped for visual appeal, personal enjoyment, and entertaining, while evoking a sense of tranquility and inner peace. Nothing is overlooked. River rocks add beauty under the deck. Interlocking surrounds a cedar garden shed set against the greenbelt tree canopy in the background. And a massive mature hedge provides privacy for an interlocking patio off the family room that has a hookup for a gas barbecue. And the yard also has a gate that opens to the greenbelt and its trail, which connects to an extension of Ajax's waterfront trail system along Lake Ontario. Offering the lifestyle of lakeside living in a great family neighborhood close to reputable schools, this home enjoys proximity to many other prime amenities, including shopping plazas, Durham Region Transit, GO Transit, quick access to the 401 and the 407, as well as community-oriented services, a conservation area, parks, and recreational facilities. For a private viewing of this fine home, or if you wish to learn more about the Ajax by the Lake communities, contact Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect, direct at 416-409-4259, or email realestate@soniasampson.com.